In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Giphy in Slack and boost your communication. Adding Giphy to Slack is a quick way to make conversations more expressive and engaging. Instead of leaving Slack to look for GIFs manually, your team can use a simple command right inside a channel to share short animations instantly. Before you begin, keep in mind that installing apps like Giphy usually requires admin level access. If you're a regular member, Slack may ask you to submit a request for approval instead. To get started, open Slack either in the desktop app or in your web browser. Once your workspace is open, look to the top left area of the sidebar and click your workspace name. This opens the main menu for workspace settings and management. From there, find the option labeled Tools and Settings, or in some workspaces, Administration. Then choose Manage Apps. Slack will take you to the app management area in your browser, where you can browse and install integrations for your workspace. Now that you're in the Slack app directory, go to the search bar near the top of the page and type Giphy. When the search results appear, click the official Giphy app to open its app page. This page gives you access to the installation and settings options. Next, click the button that says Add to Slack. Slack will then show you an authorization screen where you can review what the integration is allowed to do. After checking those permissions, click the confirmation button, which may say Add Giphy integration or Allow, depending on your version of Slack. This connects Giphy to your workspace. Once the installation is complete, Slack should redirect you to the Giphy settings page. This is where you'll want to configure the integration carefully. Start by choosing the max content rating from the drop-down menu. A setting like G or PG is usually the safest choice for a professional workspace. Then make sure Giphy previews are enabled. This is especially helpful because it lets users preview and shuffle GIFs before posting them publicly in a channel. When everything looks right, click Save Integration to apply your settings. Finally, go back to Slack and open any public or private channel you want to test. Click into the message field and type /Giphy followed by a search term. This is the command your team will use to pull up GIFs directly inside Slack. And that's it. Giphy is now enabled in your workspace, and your team can start using it to add a little more personality to everyday communication.